Hola, hello, konnichiwa. How are you, my darlings? So, today I am still two-faced and I still have a shade of foundation that doesn't match me, but we're gonna be trying the Zoeva Cafe Palette, which I swatched already, and you've seen a preview in my previous video. Look at those colors. Aren't they so pretty? Oh yes, let's take a moment to enjoy this. So, to cheer myself up, I'm doing this video because I'm a little, of course, it makes sense. I'm a little disappointed about my foundation. So, let's stop talking about foundation, let's talk about eyeshadows. So, the first swatch is called Microfoam, and it's this beautiful, ooh, you can't see it. This beautiful shade here. It's a matte shade. Okay, that's it. Second shade is called Distinct Experience. Is this one right here. No Added Spice, this green. Tasting Note, this one here. And Herrengasse, which I'm guessing is, okay, this is complicated. This one, the last shade, the darkest shade that you can see in the first swatch column. So in the second column we have Nuanced History, Micro Roasting, Cup of Joy, Cup of Joy, beautiful name, Talk, Write, Read, and Shine Bright, which is like a darker green than the one called No Added Spice. So I'm really excited about this shade here and this shade right here. That's super interesting. So I'm gonna go and set up what I'm gonna do with my eyes. Think about what I'm gonna do with my eyes. So I'm back. What I'm gonna do is use Nuance History, this one here, for my crease, using my Zoeva 228. So this is a full Zoeva experience. My eyelids have already been primed with eyelid primer and a setting powder for better distribution of color and for the shadows to last longer. Okay, that looks good enough. But I want to dip in to the shadow again, because why not? We're doing everything today because why not? I promise. I was just gonna say because the foundation. No, I'm not gonna mention the foundation. We're doing eye makeup today. Well, it's the same day, but you get. Ooh, that's nice. Now we're going with Herrengasse. To deepen up. Whoa, this is intense. To deepen up that crease and completely change the color scheme. The color story is interesting. I can't quite figure it out yet. But I know what I want to use on my eyelid. This is going to be pretty quick and simple and lovely. I hope. Because I'm going to use No Added Spice, which is the super lovely green color. More of Herrengasse. Zoeva is a German brand that started out with brushes, and now they're, not now, years ago they started putting out these beautiful palettes that I just now discovered. So yeah, take a look. Jen Phelps has this palette. She doesn't particularly like the formula, but I so far haven't had any problems with the formula whatsoever. I'm gonna take my finger and dip into the no added spice shade and put it all over my eyelid first and see what happens. Oh my god, can you see that? Whoa. Okay, this is an incredibly gorgeous green. And out of curiosity, see, this is what it's going on. This is what's going on with my eye. Out of curiosity, I'm going to top off with Shine Bright. This one here in the outer corner. Just a little detail, nothing too strong. Oh yeah, that works. And I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, a Sigma E40, and blend everything together. I think I'm going to use a brush for the outer corner. Where's my smudger? No. Where's that brush? Okay, smoky shader. I decided to use the brush instead. There we go. Everything comes together. Now the inner corner, I'm going to use Distinct Experience. For the inner corner, I will be using the Distinct Experience. And we'll be back with the full face, the other eye, and then we'll complete the look. Okay, full face of makeup is done, and both eyes are ready. And now I already did a little bit of the final touches on the lower lid. It's a very subtle look, but I'm gonna pick no added spice and apply it to the inner corner here. And then I'm taking Shine Bright, this shade right here, and applying in the outer corner of the lower lash line. Smudge with a smudging brush. Any smudging brush is fine, but what I'm using is a Zoeva 226. And that's it. That's the complete look. Not quite yet. I thought a little touch of gold would be nice with this lovely green. So I'm going to use my Hourglass Scattered Light glitter eyeshadow in foil and put it into as a topper of that beautiful green color. The center of my eyelid to give it a pop of color, and that's it. So yeah, That was the Zoeva Cafe palette. I didn't have any problems blending whatsoever. I really enjoyed the formula. We'll see how it works throughout the day, but I think it will be fine. So thank you so much for watching this video again. I did my full face, even though you can tell that the foundation doesn't match. Please ignore that, past that. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!